Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. So if we look carefully on the graph, we need to analyze A, B, C. Which one that should be about f of s first derivative and second derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we can see that on the blue line we have one critical point because we have the local mass. However, the red and the green, they don't go through about this line in here to create about first derivative or second derivative equal to number 0 to create about this one to local mass. That means the blue line in here, that should be about second derivative because that's about the last one. So we can put about the blue, that's about 8 first derivative of the function. Now if we go through to this one, we can see that when the blue line go to s axis, that's about s intercept, when we have second derivative equals to number 0, that is about the critical point for first derivative. So when the blue line go to s axis, we can see that on the red one we have critical point in here because the blue line go to this one and this one they go to here, we have the local mass, and this one they go in here, we have local mean, and this one they go in here, we have local mass for the red light. So the red one, that is for first derivative. So the red, that is about B. And now about C, that is should be about f of s. So when we see that when first derivative equal to number 0, the green line we have local mass, this one again local mean, this one again in here local mean, and this one go in here local mass. That's why C, that's about original. And now we can put the answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.